Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to download SHAREit for PC for free, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your Windows PC. Take a moment to look along the bottom or the desktop and choose the browser you normally use, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Click its icon once and wait for the main browser window to appear so you see the address bar at the top. A common mistake is double-clicking very fast, which can open two windows and feel confusing, so one steady click is enough. Now, we will go to the official SHAREit website. Move your mouse up to the address bar at the very top of the browser, click inside it once, and type SHAREit.io. Then press the Enter key on your keyboard and give it a few seconds to load. Check that the page that opens clearly shows the SHAREit branding, as using the wrong site can give you an outdated or unsafe installer. Once the SHAREit website has loaded, look for the button that says Get for PC. It is usually near the middle of the page or close to the top section, and it should stand out with a clear button shape. Move your mouse over that Get for PC button and click it once. If nothing seems to happen, wait a moment, as some connections are a bit slow and the download might be starting in the background. After clicking, the Windows installer will begin downloading. In most browsers, you will see a download bar appear at the bottom or a small arrow icon at the top right showing progress. Wait until the download reaches 100% and the file name stops changing. That means the installer file is fully saved on your computer. A common mistake is to close the browser too early, which can cancel the download, so keep the browser open until you see that the download has finished. Next up, open the downloaded installer. In many browsers, you can simply click on the file name in the download bar at the bottom, and the installer will start. If you do not see it there, you can also find it later in your Downloads folder in File Explorer, with a name that includes SHAREit and an installer extension. When you open it, Windows may show a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes, and you should click Yes if it shows SHAREit as the publisher. With the installer open, follow the installation instructions on screen. You will usually see a welcome window with a Next button at the bottom, so click Next when you are ready to move forward. Then you may see options like the install location or a checkbox for creating a desktop shortcut, and you can normally leave these at their default settings if you are unsure. Click the Install button when it appears, and wait until the progress bar reaches the end and a message confirms that SHAREit has been installed. After that, once the installation finishes, you can open SHAREit from the Start menu or the desktop. Look on your desktop for a new SHAREit icon and double-click it to launch the program, or click the Start button in the bottom left, type the word SHAREit, then click the SHAREit app in the list that appears. When it opens, you will see the main SHAREit window, which is now ready to transfer photos, videos, music, documents, and other files between your phone and your PC, and you can close and reopen it anytime using the same icon. Before we wrap up, one more useful note about safety. Always use the official SHAREit site you just visited, rather than random free download websites you might find in search results. Some older SHAREit pages are no longer maintained and can give you outdated installers, which may not work properly on newer versions of Windows or could even include unwanted extra programs. You have now downloaded and installed SHAREit for PC for free and opened it successfully on your Windows computer. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.